Hello everybody, welcome to this video illustration of how to use Excel to fit a line through a number of data that was given to you. So let's say that we have this example. Let's consider the example that I showed you in class. Table 2 gives the projected population in millions of females under the age of 18 projected for the year 2020 through 2060, and we want to find the line that better fits our data. To do that on Excel, I'm going to start with Excel. So to do that on Excel, I put my data like so. So for the year, I used only the last two digits of the year, and I put it in two columns. X for the year and the population is Y. So select both columns of your data, and then click on the Insert tab. From the Insert tab, navigate to the Scatter Plot and pick the first scatter plot. I'm going to remove the chart title, I don't need it. And then to modify this chart, you're going to click on the plus sign and then go to the last option, which says trend line. Check that option to see the line that better fits our data. To view the equation of that line, go to the arrow to the side and go to more options. Make sure the linear was selected and scroll down. Display equation on chart. So check that option and it will show you your equation on the line. Now let's do the same on Google Sheets. So I'm going to go to Google Sheets and I have the same information over here. Same process. You're going to first select two columns of your data and then insert a chart. And then I don't want the column chart, so I'm going to change that to the scatter. So click on the chart type and change that to scatter. Now to modify this, go to the customize button and then click on series and then the trend line. And from the trend line, make sure it is linear selected. Line capacity, I'm going to say 100%. And then the label is going to be use the equation.